The Tribute is a convenient benchtop model synthesizer designed for 0.005 to 2 millimole scale syntheses. The Tribute produces high-quality crude peptides and handles even long peptides like this 68-mer chemokine with ease. Its features include 2 independent reaction vessels, 5 solvent bottle positions, 101 amino acid vial positions in a compact amino acid carousel, a chemical-resistant full-color touchscreen, barcode scanning of amino acid vials, top-down or bottom-up deliveries and washing, fully adjustable nitrogen mixing, independently adjustable vortex mixing, or a combination of the two. The Tribute also features automated cleavage. The Tribute is designed to handle special chemistries. Empty amino acid vials may be loaded with special chemicals in liquid or solid form, and custom barcode labels are available for your convenience. Choose to dissolve solids with 1 or 2 aliquots of solvent for maximum dissolution of difficult-to-dissolve solids. Or choose to deliver liquids directly to the reaction vessel without having to dilute with solvent first. Programs are completely customizable, so the Tribute can run any chemistry you wish. The Tribute's automated cycle-dependent solvent incrementation feature allows you to increment the volumes delivered on each cycle by a volume of your choice. This means the Tribute can adjust its fluid delivery volumes as the peptide grows and the resin volume increases. The Tribute's login screen provides different levels of security for different users. A user ID and password provide an electronic signature for each user and limit system access to authorized individuals. Users may be designated as an administrator, designer, or runner. Create program and sequence files for the Tribute on an external computer using the User Workstation utility. Files can be transferred to the Tribute using a portable USB drive. The software can also be used to print synthesis reports and calculate the coupling difficulty for any peptide sequence. Just type in the sequence to view as a table or a graph. The software will display difficult couplings in red and easier couplings in yellow. With purchase of a user license, use the User Workstation utility to calculate reagent amounts and perform sequence-based editing and program assignments. With its personalized database system, the Tribute allows individual users to store their own programs and sequences in their own personalized database, which may be stored on a portable USB drive. The Tribute's Safe Response feature safeguards your reactions during unexpected interruptions. If your synthesis is interrupted for any reason, the Tribute will automatically rinse your resin with the solvent of your choice. With its email notification feature, have the Tribute send an email to your computer or cell phone at the beginning of each cycle or when an error occurs. Take the mystery out of peptide synthesis using the IntelliSynth UV Monitoring and Feedback Control System option. This feature monitors the extent of the deprotection reaction and can use that data to control the deprotection reaction time and number of repeats, as well as the coupling time, so you can identify difficult couplings and get your peptide successfully the first time. Unlike other systems, which only take one reading at the end of the reaction as it is being sent to waste, the IntelliSynth UV Monitoring and Feedback Control System has an online UV detector placed just below the reaction vessel. This allows it to take a measurement every 20 seconds during the deprotection reaction to determine exactly when it is complete. This is the only UV monitoring system on the market today that can control the deprotection time as well as the number of repeats. It does this without interfering with the reaction and without requiring extra rinsing of the UV pathway or flow cell like other systems. With the IntelliSynth system, the UV flow cell is the tube itself, which gets rinsed when the resin is rinsed. The prominent red emergency stop button halts all operations on the instrument. Upon release, the synthesis may be continued if desired. Tribute accessories include reaction vessels, collection vials, and amino acid vials. Protein Technologies also supplies pre-packed amino acid vials containing equal amounts of our high-quality amino acids and activators. These dry amino acids may be stored for years without breakdown, so they are always available when you need them. Pre-packed vials from Protein Technologies come reasonably priced to offer you the ultimate in convenience and time saved. In addition, Protein Technologies supplies bulk amino acids, bulk activators, and synthesis reagents. The Tribute was designed for easy setup and maximum convenience. To set up a synthesis, check the nitrogen pressure by checking the gauges on the nitrogen tank and the front of the Tribute. Check that the waste is not full. Next, create a program using the Program Editor screen. To create a program, select an action, bottle, volume, increment, mix type, time, drain, and repetition number for each step. Insert or delete steps using these buttons. Load the reaction vessels, then load the solvent bottles. Pressurize and prime the solvent bottles using the bottle preparation screen. Next, load the amino acid vials in the reverse order of the peptide sequence using the Load Synthesis screen. If two syntheses will be run simultaneously, amino acid vials for the two sequences are loaded in alternate positions, in this case with RV1 vials in the even positions and RV2 vials in the odd positions. Alternatively, With the tribute's flexible amino acid assignments, you can assign any carousel position to any cycle for any reaction vessel. To load the amino acid vials, simply scan, validate the description, load, and advance the carousel to the next position. When finished, assign a program to each cycle. Alternatively, if the user workstation utility license was purchased, you can assign programs using a sequence-based interface. Just type in the sequence, and the software will display the coupling difficulties. Assign double coupling programs to difficult couplings, and single coupling programs to easier couplings. Then, upload this to the Load Synthesis screen. On the Run Synthesis screen, select a starting cycle and program step. Then, simply press the Start button. At the end of a synthesis, you may cleave on the instrument if desired, and collect your cleaved peptide using the convenient collection stand. For cleanup, unload the amino acid vials up to 6 at a time. To clean the reaction vessels, replace the reaction vessels with empty ones. Then, select Wash RV1 or Wash RV2 on the Wash Operations screen to clean the reaction vessels. If cleavage was performed, replace each collection vial with an empty one and rinse the collect lines using the Manual Operations screen. When complete, the tribute is ready for the next synthesis. Protein Technologies also recommends performing a system clean every 1 to 2 weeks. To perform a system clean, place methanol in solvent bottle 1 and empty bottles in the other 4 positions. Place an empty, clean amino acid vial under the injection needle and manually lower the injector. Place empty reaction vessels and collection vials on the instrument. Then, go to the Wash Operations screen and press the System Solvent Wash button to flush the system. When finished, empty solvent bottles and collection vials of rinse fluid and remove the empty amino acid vial. As you can see, the Tribute is a versatile, easy-to-use instrument that produces high-quality crude peptides and was designed with your convenience in mind. To find out more information about the Tribute, contact Protein Technologies at 1-800-477-6834 or visit our website at www.peptideinstruments.com.